Welcome to Craft Catalog. What if you could carry your entire mini workshop in one hand? Imagine moving from room to room, job to job, or project to project with everything you actually need right at your fingertips. No hunting for tools, no running back and forth, no clutter slowing you down. Today, we're building a portable wooden tool caddy designed for on-the-go makers who want unmatched efficiency for home projects and DIY tasks of every size. Every maker knows this problem. You start a simple job, maybe tightening a loose screw or fixing a cabinet hinge, and suddenly you're walking back and forth multiple times just to grab tools. The project takes longer than it should, not because it's difficult, but because your tools aren't organized or accessible. A portable wooden tool caddy solves that problem instantly. It turns chaos into control. Instead of tools scattered across drawers, boxes, and surfaces, everything travels together as one organized system. This project isn't about fancy furniture or complicated joinery. It's about practicality, the kind of build you'll use every single week. The kind of project that quietly improves how you work without demanding attention. The beauty of a wooden tool caddy is its simplicity. An open-top design means you can see every tool at a glance. No lids, no digging, no wasted time. Just grab and go. Unlike plastic toolboxes that crack, tip, or feel awkward to carry, a well-built wooden caddy feels solid and balanced. The weight distributes naturally. The handle feels comfortable. The structure holds up to daily use. This project starts with understanding what tools you actually use most often. Screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, measuring tape, utility knife, pencils, and maybe a small square. The caddy is designed around real workflow, not marketing features. One of the most important design choices is the handle. A centered, sturdy handle allows the caddy to stay balanced, even when fully loaded. When done right, it feels natural in your hand, not awkward or top-heavy. The open compartments are where efficiency really shines. Vertical dividers keep tools upright and visible. Nothing gets buried. Nothing rattles around. Each tool earns its place. This is especially powerful for on-the-go makers. Whether you're working in different rooms of your home, helping friends, or tackling small jobs outside, the caddy moves with you. You don't move your tools one by one. You move your workflow. Building this tool caddy also teaches valuable woodworking fundamentals. Measuring accurately, cutting square pieces, assembling a strong box, and reinforcing stress points are all skills that transfer directly to larger projects later. For beginners, this is an ideal confidence builder. The project is forgiving, practical, and deeply satisfying. You're not just building something to look at. You're building something that immediately improves your daily work. For experienced makers, it's an opportunity to refine design thinking. How do you maximize strength with minimal material? How do you balance form and function? How do you design something that feels good to use? Another advantage of a wooden tool caddy is customization. You can adjust compartment sizes based on your tools. You can add small sections for fasteners. You can include a narrow slot for a ruler or level. The design adapts to you, not the other way around. And because it's wood, it's easy to modify later. Need another divider? Add one. Want to reinforce a corner? Do it. This flexibility is something molded plastic can't offer. Portability is about more than movement. It's about mental clarity. When tools are organized and accessible, your brain stays focused on the task, not on finding equipment. Productivity increases naturally. This caddy also encourages better habits. When every tool has a visible place, cleanup becomes automatic. Tools go back where they belong. Projects end cleanly instead of leaving mess behind. That's the hidden benefit of good organization. It reduces friction without requiring discipline. The design does the work for you. From a space-saving perspective, this project is perfect for small homes, apartments, or shared spaces. The caddy can live on a shelf, under a bench, or inside a cabinet. It doesn't demand permanent floor space. It also pairs perfectly with other beginner projects. Place on a workbench, store it in a rolling cart, hang it on a shelf. It becomes part of a larger system over time. The materials for this project are simple and affordable. Basic lumber or plywood works well. You don't need premium wood. Strength comes from structure, not price. As you assemble the Caddy, you'll notice how small design choices make a big difference. Reinforcing the handle area adds longevity. Slightly raising the bottom keeps tools from scraping. Thoughtful spacing improves usability. These are the kinds of lessons that separate random builds from intentional ones. You're not just assembling parts, you're solving a problem. Once the Caddy is finished, you'll feel the difference immediately. Carrying it feels purposeful. Using it feels smooth. Your workflow tightens up. Tasks feel easier. And because it's something you built yourself, there's pride in using it. That pride fuels momentum. It makes you want to build more, improve more, and tackle bigger projects. This is why small, practical projects matter. They create real impact fast. They don't sit unused. They become part of your routine. A portable wooden tool Caddy also makes a fantastic gift. It's useful, personal, and timeless. Whether for a DIY friend, a homeowner, or a beginner maker, it's something that actually gets used. In a world full of disposable tools and temporary solutions, building something durable feels good. Wood adds warmth, reliability, and character. Scratches become history, not damage. Over time, the Caddy tells a story. Each mark represents a project completed. Each tool placement reflects experience gained. For on-the-go makers, this Caddy becomes a signature piece. It represents readiness. Wherever you go, you're prepared. This project also reinforces an important mindset. You don't need more tools to work better. You need better organization. Efficiency comes from access, not accumulation. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by clutter or slowed down by disorganization, this build is a reset button. Simple, portable, effective, and the best part is how quickly you can complete it. This is a weekend project with long-term benefits. A small investment of time that pays off every time you pick it up. If you're building skills, building confidence, or building a DIY lifestyle, start with projects like this. Practical builds create momentum. If you enjoy woodworking projects that focus on real use, real homes, and real results, subscribe to Craft Catalog. We share smart DIY builds, beginner-friendly projects, and creative solutions that make everyday work easier. Carry less stress, move faster, work smarter. This portable wooden tool Caddy does exactly that.